Hello everyone, I have an announcement to make today. Successful leaf cuttings in Pinguicula. Leaf cuttings on sphagnum moss. I had 3 other leaf cuttings before this one. All of them died. Maybe it was not a good idea to keep them in excessive humidity. Here is a time lapse of the growth of the successful Pinguicula leaf cuttings. Now that it is a little bigger, I will repot it. The shoots of the Pinguicula leaf cuttings are not rooted. It seems that they only sprout from the basal part. The soil for repotting is a mixture of 2 parts peat moss and 1 part Carnivorous soil. Put the soil in a flower pot. Make a depression in the center of the pot and place the sphagnum moss in it. Place the sprouted Pinguicula on top of the moss. Finally, put a mixture of peat moss and Carnivorous soil on top. I hope it grows well. Now, let's see how it grows after repotting. Pinguicula Aphrodite took to leaf. The soil is a mixture of peat moss and Carnivorous soil. Pinguicula primuliflora was used as a leaf cutting. Pinguicula moracensis was planted with 6 leaves. 1 month later, it may be a little difficult to see, but new shoots are emerging from here on Pinguicula moracensis. Pinguicula Aphrodite also has new shoots from here. Pinguicula Aphrodite is also sprouting. 3 days later, Pinguicula Aphrodite is growing well. Only primuliflora has leaves coming out of odd areas. Here's a video that's a little easier to see. I'm looking forward to seeing what happens now. I will be replanting to Aphrodite. The soil to be used is a mixture of peat moss and Carnivorous soil in equal proportions. Now I will take out the Aphrodite. Spread Akadama soil at the bottom of the flower pot. Fill the flower pot with a mixture of peat moss and Carnivorous soil. Now I will plant the plants. Planting is finished. I will make a video of the growth of Aphrodite and other Pinguicula in the future. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Watch this video on how to care for Pinguicula. Thank you for watching.